Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by ensuring both devices share the same PSN account and are on the same network. This is crucial so they can discover each other. On your Ps4, go to Settings and enable Remote Play and set the console as primary. Make sure the Ps4 is connected to stable Wi-Fi or wired Ethernet for reliability. Once done, open the PS app on your phone, sign in with the same PSN credentials, and keep the app running while you move to the next step. You now initiate the pairing sequence from the PS app by choosing Remote Play, then connect to Ps4. The app will search automatically. If it doesn't find your console, use Register manually and follow prompts because some routers block discovery packets. On the Ps4, navigate to Settings, Remote Play Connection Settings, add device to display an 8-digit code. Then type that exact code into the app. Doing so binds the phone and console and establishes an authorized session. You finish by confirming the app shows your Ps4 is connected and by testing a short remote play session to verify video and controller input. If you see lag or the app won't connect, restart the Ps4 and your router and make sure both devices aren't sleeping. For persistent latency, switch the Ps4 to wired Ethernet or move to a 5 GHz Wi-Fi band because higher throughput reduces packet delay. If registration fails, repeat the manual code step. Often a second attempt resolves transient issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.